I have this colorful scarf or pashmina. It's really comfy because it's not thick. I don't know how long I've had it. I guess it was some Christmas presents, and I love it. I love the colors, I love the vibe of it, and I think it could be a really nice dress. This upcycle is not because I'm not wearing this garment. On the contrary, I wear it a lot. I wear it so much that it's been in my head for 2 months at least, and I haven't been brave enough to do it because I wear it. I like it a lot, and I'm afraid if I do it, I won't wear it. So, but I think I have to be brave and follow my guts and do it. I love wearing knits, and in the beginning I thought about making a short sleeve sort of jumper, but then I wasn't sure what to do with the fringes it has, and I think they are really nice, so I didn't want to cut them off. So I think the best thing is to just fold it long ways and make a dress. Of course, this depends on the length and the width of the scarf you have. This one is quite stretchy, so it covers me completely, but maybe you can make it from 2 different scarves you find on sale, for example, or instead of a dress, you can make it a jumper or even a skirt. So basically what I'm going to do is, apart from making a hole for my head, is to sew it pattern matching, of course, and top stitch it. I'm going to top stitch because I think if I sew normally right sides together, it will get quite bulky, and I don't want that. So I'm going to just keep it flat until I get to the waistline, and when I get to the waistline, I'm going to open this and sew on top to create a sort of flounce sleeve until I reach the armhole area, and that way I get my arms out and I have a sort of feature there. I think it's going to look nice. So with my scarf folded long ways and pattern matching my colors, that's really important so it doesn't look weird, I'm going to start pinning from the bottom to the waistline, which is this orange line. And once I do that, because it's all the way it's wide, you have to give it a bit of shape, and it's a bit difficult to try it on because you have nothing to try it on. So what I'm going to do is to measure my waistline, which is 69, and then it's on there, isn't it? 40, yeah, it's the orange line. So those 69, I can then fold my measuring tape and see that I have to take in at least 4 or 5 centimeters on each side, so it looks a bit fitted. This is quite an easy project to do because it only has few seams, and I'm going to be sewing with a zigzag stitch because I think it's less risky to rip the material if you have a zigzag stitch, because this is a stretchy material, even though it is all going to be side seams. I don't think you have the risk of ripping material when it's side seams, because you are not joining together 2 panels, 2 front panels or 2 back panels. But even though I'm not going to use a straight seam, and I'm going to be sewing in a green polyester I have, because this is also polyester and I think it's more durable. I have it around, it's dark green, so let's use it up. I just cut the neckline and I'm going to simply make a simple seam with a zigzag stitch as well, and I don't think I made it quite small because this is quite stretchy. And now that I have the part of the skirt sewn, I'm going to sew this big hole here, and what I'm going to do is just flatten up the two sides and sew on top again with a zigzag stitch. This is all theory of mine, let's see how I do. And even though it's a dress now, I've just realized I can still wear it as a scarf if I wrap it around my neck and put the fringes inside the armholes. I can still wear it as a scarf, so that's a double use, that's really good. So this is the final result. I'm quite happy because it is just as I imagined, as I had planned. I didn't have any problems sewing it at all, not with the fabric or the thread. Everything went fine, which is a relief. I quite like the style of it. The flouncy sleeves is not much of a flounce, but it's good because it gives it something different. And of course you can also wear it with a belt to get rid of the scarf look, and I think it has potential. I think you can wear it with your trainers or with high heels, and I think it gives it a bit of a change to your wardrobe. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you like this idea, and if you have something similar in your wardrobe you can upcycle. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. I would really appreciate it, and that way you don't miss anything because I upload twice a week. And I leave you here a link to other upcycling videos, like for example the jeans I was wearing, and I'll see you around. Bye!